Hi everyone, I'd like to do a quick test on the product for the Google Nest, and I'm going to do the unpacking video for this product and just go over some of the things that the product might have, something that we all could be interested in. So the idea is just a replacement for your doorbell, and it does the HDR video, HD talk and listen, person alerts, and familiar face alerts, so that's really cool. Pre-recorded quick responses, quiet time, and also works with Google Assistant, so that's pretty cool. They do recommend, looks like the Pro installation recommended, so I also looked up, and it would, yeah, I would recommend that in terms of if you're not very tech savvy and like don't want to deal with the hardware, because it's a wired installation, so I would recommend that as well. Cool. The presentation looks awesome. So there's nothing else. It's just a solidified package here with your cover. Let's put it aside now. It does look beautiful, like one solidified design where you get. They also put the logo inside here. It's pretty cool, and you get you a little camera cover. I'll leave it on for till the installation is complete and make sure there are no scratches. I think the button sound is okay. It could be improved in terms of like the sound design. I think there's an opportunity for the button to have a more pleasant sound design, for the button to be a good feedback. I know there should be some of a visual indication once you connect the bell. There's gotta be the visual light indicator circling around. Looks like in the back they have the USB connector, so if you can go inside, and I think this is where you would also connect some of the wires, because this is a hardwired. Let's go inside deeper. See, there you get your standard package, and see what's inside. It's just a getting started guide. So you would have to get the Nest app, Google Nest Hello, and you would have to wire the chime connector to your doorbell chime, and you replace your existing doorbell with Nest Hello. So it sounds easy in theory, but in practice I think it will be a bit more complicated. That's why they recommend Pro installation. So you end up having a Nest Hello wall plate and the chime connector, so on the screws. Cool. So they also provide a Nest Pro can help. The go-to the g.co Nest install link, where you can install the bell, some of the details, so it's always good to have it handy. What else they have? Let's see. Oh, cool. Look at that. They have a label tag. All right, they have a sticker with just the camera and voice control, I guess. Not sure what was the intent of. I as a user, should I just putting it next to the bell, or I'm not sure. Like it just like when I see like stickers just being randomly brought into, it would always be, I feel like from the user perspective, it's always been beneficial for me to have some user guidance, because it's not clear for me as a user where is actually the sticker would have to go to. Would it have to go to next to the device, or should I just like have fun with it and put it on my laptop, or etc. This is cool. Nice. So this is the chime. You get the actual the Google Nest doorbell chime. So this is where I believe the connections part would take place to your nice. So this is to your chime at home, to the original chime. So they also have the nice guidance here and to follow the instructions to install. So they do encourage you to follow the instructions and not just go and experiment. So it's always great to have here, just to understand what you're doing with each step. All right, more tools and supplies. Cool. All right, they give you all the bells, all the little details on, and including the drill hole tool with the what is it called? the drilling the drilling thing here. It's pretty cool because I do have a drill, but I don't have the this tool to drill the holes in my wall. So this would be incredibly beneficial for me because I don't save the trip to the store actually. So I love that, and because especially it costs like couple of cents or maybe $1. Okay, we got some good screws, good quality screws. I can feel that, and all the installation tips. So yeah, so we got those expanders for the wall. Not sure where to use that, probably to open the device. Not sure, because it's not like the iPhone device that you would open it, because it does look like the iPhone you would use to open up your SIM card in the iPhone. All right, and they got the back plate. Interesting. Also have a tag there. Okay. And they have a back plate, and that would go behind the. So like you can see how it probably stacks together. So once you connect that, so it looks like once you connect that, you probably have to cover it. My assumption is you would just cover it, then close, and drill through that. Okay, cool. Yeah, because it is just a tag. So they so it would just be solidified all together, and once you install it, it's closed, and it would look like something like that. I think this is it. That's all they have so far. I'm excited. Actually looking forward to install that, and I'll try to record my reaction and feedback in terms of my installation process, and if I get it done on my own, because I did not get the Pro installation, so I'm hesitant about that now. But also, we'll install that. We'll see how it works, and we'll see how it works in practice in terms of actually using the Bell and what is the experience like on the app side. All right, I hope you all enjoy that. Please shoot me a like, subscribe, and hit a comment on what you would like to learn more about the product, or if you would like to see some of the experimentation and explorations for this for this device. All right, thank you everyone, and have a good day.